Hello and welcome to Sassy Kate and Ren. Today we are going to be making a delicious cheeseburger pie. So to our cast iron skillet on our stove, we're going to add 3 tablespoon glug of oil this time. And then we're going to add to that 900 grams of extra lean ground beef. We're going to fry this up, adding in 1/4 of a cup of ketchup as we cook. And then a 1/2 cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. We're adding in 2 tablespoons of dark mustard seeds, which we have browned. We're going to cook this until it is a lovely dark brown. While we cook it, I'm using the spatula to make sure that I'm breaking up any large clumps. I want it to be all fairly consistent in texture. So we're going to cook this until it is well browned. Once it has all of the moisture cooked off, then it's starting to get crispy and a lovely dark brown along the bottom. You can turn off the stove for a while, let this cool down, and then we're going to mix in the rest of our ingredients. Once your burger meat has cooled down, we're going to roll out and prepare our bottom pie crust. To that we are adding 1/4 of a cup of relish. We're just going to spread that across the bottom. Just making a very, very thin layer. That's our bottom crust ready to go. To our burger meat, we're going to quickly mix in 2 cups of grated cheese and a 1/2 cup of fried onions. So I'm going to use my hands to mix. Alright. This is pretty well combined, so this is just going to get scattered into our crust. I do like to tuck it in a little bit along the sides and dome it a little bit more towards the center, just to make putting that top crust on a little bit easier. I'm going to get our top crust onto this. Once you've rolled out your top crust, you're just going to cut a little design into it. I like to do typically wheat sheaf. Okay, and that's going to go over top of our pie here. And use a little bit of water to glue the sides in. Tucking it down and working my way around as I go. Just continuing around until you get to a point where you've already gone. And we're just going to pinch our pie crust, push with our thumb, pull back with our 2 fingers to make a little pleat. Again, go all the way around. If you want to give this an extra cheeseburger-y look, what we can do is give it a quick egg wash over the top and sprinkle some sesame seeds over the top of that. Just have a teaspoon of sesame seeds there. Alright, that's going to go into the oven. 400 degrees for half an hour. And down to 350 degrees for another 25 minutes. Like and follow Sassy Kate and Ren for more delicious recipes.